Hello and welcome to Introduction to Physics. My name is Paul Eric and I teach physics, astronomy, and geology at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri. And this is a video version of the lectures I give to my Introduction to Physics students. So this particular series of lessons is all about physics. Physics is the most fundamental of all the sciences. And so what that means is that physics is used in chemistry, and then chemistry is used in geology and biology. So physics is right up there at the top. In this course, you're going to learn about such topics as motion, heat, sound, light, electricity, and the atom. This first unit is going to be about the atom and electricity. But in this lesson, what we want to do is just give you an overview about what physics is all about. So this is going to be unit number 1, which is lesson 1 on what is physics, and then lesson 9 on atoms, and then we go to lesson 20 on electrostatics, and then we'll talk about electric current, magnetism, and electromagnetism. So this is lesson number 1 on what is Introduction to Physics. So our lesson objectives are to state the branches of physics, explain what is studied in physics, explain how the Greeks used proportions to measure the earth, the moon, and the sun. But you'll notice it says up there at the top, you do not need to know any of the objectives in bold for the first exam, and look, none of them, all of those are in bold. So today is not really a day to take too many notes, but it's just to get really excited about physics. Are we excited yet? I hope so. So your resources. Your primary resource is going to be your textbook, which is Conceptual Physics by Paul Hewitt, and you want to be reading chapter number 1. And then if you want to learn more about physics, there is a website called PHET, P-H-E-T, and so if you just go to the internet and type in the word PHET, you're going to find this, but it has about 100 different interactive physics and chemistry and earth science simulations. So we'll be making extensive use of these animations as the series progresses. And then there's also Physics Classroom. It is a more advanced series of physics simulations, but you might enjoy those as well. Okay, then for teachers, here is a couple of websites that you might want to use in order to learn about the MOGIA exam that you're going to need to pass in order to become an elementary school teacher. And then also another website that tells you all about the Common Core standards. And videos. So the primary set of videos that we're going to use is the crash course physics videos, and they're 46 10-minute video each that cover all of physics. And then there's another set of physics videos that you can watch called Physics Fundamentals. And the nice thing about these is they come with study guides and worksheets. Then you also have Physics in Motion is another set of videos that are also very good. On YouTube, you might be able to find some of the Paul Hewitt Conceptual Physics Alive videos that he made first before he even wrote his textbook, Conceptual Physics. So you might be able to find some of those online. Eureka is a series of little animations about physics. And then if you're interested in chemistry, there's a series of chemistry videos called Chemistry Matters that you could be watching. And then there's another set of videos called World of Chemistry that you might enjoy. All right, so let's take a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about what physics class is right for me.